In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your ChatGPT plan from free plan to paid plan. So if you are using ChatGPT free plan and you would like to unlock more powerful features, all you need to do is to upgrade to paid plan. Now there are two ways, or there are two methods you can use to upgrade your plan. The first one is to tap on the down arrow here, and then from here choose the ChatGPT Plus. So when you tap on this, it will take you straight to ChatGPT plans that are available, and here you can now switch from your free plan to Plus or to Pro, depending on your interest. Alternatively, you can change from personal plans to business plans, and under business plan we have one plan which goes for $25 per month. So to make the payment, all you need to do is to tap on get plan and then go on, enter your payment details, verify your phone number, and then finalize by making a payment of $20 to upgrade. And this payment can easily be made using Stripe, and you should be good to go. Now that is the first method you can access the payment plans on ChatGPT. The second method is tapping on the right corner here under your account and then go to upgrade plan, which is this. When you tap on it, it will take you to the same page, choose your plan, and then make the payment. So that's how you upgrade from ChatGPT free plan to paid plan. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.